Company-owned properties. Welcome to PropMarker, your go-to destination for real estate insights. Today we're diving into the company-owned properties section, where you can access valuable information about properties owned by companies in your desired area. At PropMarker, we specialize in providing comprehensive information on company-owned properties within the UK real estate market. With our platform, users can easily access details about properties owned by businesses in specific areas, tailored to their preferences. Simply provide us with the outcode you're focusing on, and we'll gather the relevant data for you. Finding information about company-owned properties has never been easier. Whether you're a potential investor, a curious researcher, or a real estate enthusiast, this section is tailored to provide you with the details you need. Here, you can explore a comprehensive database of properties, each with detailed insights into ownership, location, and more. From corporate headquarters to retail outlets, you'll find a diverse range of properties owned by various companies. To streamline your search, you can utilize our advanced filtering and search options, narrow down your results by location. Once you've found a property of interest, simply click on it to access detailed ownership information, property descriptions, and any additional insights available. So whether you're researching market trends, evaluating investment opportunities, or simply satisfying your curiosity, PropMarker's company-owned properties section is your one-stop destination. Explore with confidence and make informed decisions with PropMarker. Happy exploring!